Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 2nd August 2022 and the time is 9 p.m. And yesterday I mentioned that we will offload our positions, Nifty or Bank Nifty position once it comes and gives a genuine sell on 15 minutes, genuine sell on 15 minutes. So till that time, whenever it comes and touches the 15 minutes support level, we will buy only. And today four timings totally. After a long time, we got four timings, but three worked like magic. And we are able to buy at the exact low based on fortune signals as well as the timing. And we sold at 17,338 level. We offloaded everything. After that, it went up, and suddenly there was a fall in the last 15 minutes, and it came and closed below. And again, that till that pitchfork line, which I mentioned yesterday, it still holds because it closed below and suddenly in the last 15 minutes. But we offloaded most of the quantity today. We don't want to carry more, so but we are still long in Nifty. We are still long in stocks. We are still holding all the longs. Let's see, how the market behaves tomorrow. So let's go and see all that in our PPT. Uh, First thing, okay. So let's go to WhatsApp group. So this is our 907 number. Exactly, it came and touched this number. It gave all the three targets. So roughly from 17,280, 17,307 to 17,217. So it gave 100 points, an exact support from here, which exactly matched with our 15 minutes support. And from there, the rally started and it went to here. And we offloaded at 17,338 for some other reason. So that's how market worked today, and our timings literally rocked today. We have taken position in IOC because IOC had this date today, so IOC we are holding position. And I mentioned ITC buy at 270, target is 288, 297, and 307. So it is still holds. So these are all on the cards. And I gave ITC to buy based on trend change date, which happened last month. Okay. And we are concentrating on oil marketing companies. So we bought IOC today, and timings literally not anyway. I don't want to go and see all that. And Ambuja was a rocker today, so we offloaded good quantity. Once it crossed 380 level, and we are holding few lots, but we sold most of the time. But this is the combo time, and IRCTC was sorry, IEX was literal, and 169 we offloaded many quantity, and still we are holding few, and we entered at 154. 154. So I think there is some positive news for IEX also. I don't know all that, but we exited. This is our second, timing, and Ambuja exited 5 lots at 380 level, and today everything literally knocked, and our number was 38025 in Bank Nifty. That was the bank on closing today. That's average closing, but it came close to below. But I'll show that in chart how the 38025 number worked today. You'll be literally amazed, because more than how many people are trading in Bank Nifty, and how we are able to give the pinpoint number. That's a magic. So we are giving the number and market is respecting it. So we should not take any credit for that. We simply say pranam to market for respecting the numbers. That's all. So, and a few people made some good money today, 65,000 and all that. So it was a gala time today. So let's go. This was one guy rocked today for 69,000 rupees. And one of my favorite sister, she was literally rocking, and she 4x, she made 4x in the last 4 months. Okay, so and everything did very well. So now let's go to the graph and see all this. And before that, we'll go to the PPT. Then you will understand how market reacted to our numbers. So this is for 3rd August. We'll go to the 2nd August. Okay. So the price reversal zone is this: 17,233 to 17,218. Okay. and the buy should come only above this number. And we have not initiated the buy on the closing, but we initiated the buy here itself based on fortune signals plus timing plus this price reversal zone. And if you go here, this was the price reversal zone. Yesterday there was a typo here. This went next page. So again, I brought it back here. The first price reversal is 37,637 to 37,599. Okay, so this number was here. So I need to change it, but by mistake I forgot to do it yesterday, and none of my subscribers also reminded me. So this is the number. Okay, so this is the number. So it was supposed to come here, but somehow I missed due to some personal work. So this is the number 37,599 to 37,376. The exact low of today in Bank Nifty is 37,636. Exact low. On the dot low was 37,636, and Nifty also literally rocked to the core on our numbers. So this was the number, Bank Nifty, and this was the price reversal zone of Nifty. Okay, let's go and see all this. And 38025. Why that 38025 is very, very important? Because that is our decider number for Bank Nifty for this week. For this whole week, this is the decider number. And for Nifty, this is the decider number. 17,351 is the decider number. This number won't change for the whole week. Let's go and see all this in graph. Okay, so now let's go to the graph. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty. Our number was 37,636. So if you go to this candle, this was the low of the candle. You can go here and see that was the low. 37,633. But if you go to 1 hour candle, if you go to 1 hour, so 1 hour, and I've given this number here. These two numbers are the support levels. So 37,636 to 37,599. And the low here was 37,633. And from there it was a bumper move. Okay, now let's go to 38025. So I marked 38025 here. See, from here exactly it went and touched 38025 only. If you see the high, you can see that 38025.9. And from there it came down roughly around 200-250 points. Again went up, closed above, went and closed below that number only. But see how market respects that pinpoint number. Year 37,636 and year 38025. It worked like mad. And that's how we say that, numbers do wonders. And all your technical chart, blah, 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 will come and sit with this. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty. Let's go to Nifty. So the same here, the number I marked here, which is the PRZ zone, that was the exact low here. And this was our 907 number. Sell below 37,307. Open here only. Went up, gave the opportunity to sell, came down. All the targets achieved. Exactly gave the buy at the PRZ zone. Went up. Again, it is not able to cross this level, came down, but finally, these are the timings. See the timing, how it worked. First timing, second timing. Today we have 3 timings, okay? Third timing, little bit of, mess up, and total point lost in this is 10 points, okay? The high and low of this candle is valid. And again, this candle, it went up and sudden fall, which I cannot do anything. But see how the candle worked. And all these candles are predicted much before. And literally everything dropped. Okay. So this is how it went up. And now again, Bank Nifty, see where it closed. Exactly on the pitchfork line. Yesterday, that was the resistance. And today it went up. I thought, it will go and do this target today. 38,354. This is what the target I mentioned. It went up, but suddenly there was a fall. Suddenly there was a fall, and it closed exactly at the pitchfork number. But if you go to Nifty, it closed below the resistance. Yesterday, this is the pitchfork number line. It resisted there, and today it went up, but closed below that number. Closed below that number, and if you go to Nifty closing, it is 38,024, and our number was 38,025. See how market respects this. Okay, apart from all this, just by clicking one click, can we know the support? So if you go to fortune signals, so this is why I said, if it gives a genuine sell in 15 minutes, we will exit the push. See, this is 15 minutes time frame. Market opened here, came down, exactly touch this number. And this was our number, 17,217. Exact number was here. And from there bounce, non-stop rally. And again, still it is inside, it is still bullish in 15 minutes. So there is no problem at all. And if you go to Bank Nifty, it came down all the way, but it has not touched our number, but it has touched 37,636, which was our PR result zone. And from there, it gave a solid move of 500 points, roughly around 500 points. So still it is bullish, nothing to worry about the market. But the only itch is, it is still below the pitchfork line. That's all. Okay, so now let's go to tomorrow. Let's go to tomorrow. Okay, so I've marked the high and low of 1st August. Kindly use this. And now Nifty, Bank Nifty closed above this number, but Bank Nifty still it is not able to close above this number. Struggling. Okay, and again Nifty is struggling here on the spot side, but Bank Nifty closed above. So you can combine these numbers and you can use it, but till it holds these numbers, bearish numbers, nothing to worry. Okay, so now let's go to the same number repeats, because the whole week this number won't change. It has given a genuine buy, which I already told you. So whenever Fed market comes down, it's a buying opportunity. We will exit our position if Nifty gives a genuine sell on 15 minutes, and we'll be offloading everything if it gives the genuine sell on 1 hour. Till that time, we will use the dip for the buying opportunity only. Okay, so August 1st, I've already told you, this is a trend change date for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And Dow Jones is having a minor date on 3rd, that is tomorrow. So kindly watch out. Okay, and 3825 is sitting on Bank Nifty's head. And today Nifty made an inside bar pattern. Watch out, break above yesterday's high, it will bust. Break below yesterday's low, it will be a pain. So watch out for that. And expiry, okay, this I've already explained. And both the indices closed below the pitchfork line. So still continuing. Tomorrow time to watch out for is 935 to 945. Okay, and I've already explained you that this week is very crucial based on a lot of time cycles, and the number is also 37929. Don't forget that number. Okay, 37929. So now, but still I am bullish. I want to see this number 37,576. Let's see how the market is planning out for this number. And tomorrow Britannia, and today we have taken IOC. Now the risk reward ratio is very minute. Only one rupee 40 paisa. Definitely you can watch out for this. And yesterday trend change date, Naukri did very well. SBI on the short side did very well. SRF did nothing. Okay, and okay, so this is for tomorrow's number. So today I've done it perfectly well. So this is the number for tomorrow. Again, this is the PR result zone. And for Bank Nifty, the first PR result zone is this, and the second PR result zone is this. It should not close below 37039. Let's see, 1,000 points from here. Okay, so all bullish, nothing to worry. So now if you see here, this was the number which we exited today, and from here, this target is done. 17,334 is done. And if you go to Bank Nifty, all bullish, so nothing to worry. And above this number, this is done, this is done, and this is done to this. So all these four target where the PR result zone is sitting, all these four targets are done. So now I'm expecting these to come in the coming week with the stop loss of 15 minutes genuine sell in Bank Nifty. Okay, and that's all. Nothing to talk about it. So all these are fine. And tomorrow is Britannia. So I'll show you Britannia. Something interesting really is cooking there. So we'll go to Britannia. Okay, so Britannia has given a sell on 15 minutes. So most probably tomorrow, if it breaks the 15 minutes low, we will definitely go short in Britannia. Number one. Number two, if I take the numbers, okay, so 3849 is the one magic number for the month, and it gave a sell here only today. Okay, because this was not a genuine sell. If you see here, this was not a genuine sell, went up, came down, and this is where the exact sale happened, 3849. But we should not go short here. We need to go for it to wait for it to close below this number, which is the decider number for the month, 3783. So it came down all the way, closed here, and it is holding the last trend change rate high and low. This was the last trend change rate high and low. And the recent trend change rate, which was up and down, this one, which is on 27th July, and 20th July was the trend changer. So three combination dates are having. So you will be seeing a one side a big move in Britannia. Watch out tomorrow, first 15 minutes high and low, and it is closed exactly at the number, which is 3783. For this month, above 3849, it is bullish. Below 3783, it is bearish. And why we have taken IOC today? Because IOC had the trend change rate today, and the both one number magic and the decider number magic are one and the same at 72. Okay, so tomorrow this is the inside bar candle, move above yesterday's high, big move below yesterday's low. It's a problem. And today's high and low is inside bar candle, where the number is also sitting 72. So watch out for this counter for tomorrow. So thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. And this is what happening in Dow Jones. It is still struggling. Okay, and it is trading below the 1st August low, which was the trend change date. So nothing has happened in Dow Jones. It is stuck in fortune signals, red and blue. And if you go to S&P, same. If you go to Nasdaq, same. So it is stuck. And ETH, again, yesterday itself I told you it is a fake buy. So it started coming down, and this guy is still lagging behind ETH. That's all. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Yesterday there are a lot of people seeing that video, and many people are joining in Telegram. I'm happy to see all that. Thanks a lot for your support. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07, magical number of Nifty. Thank you.